How to add another account on Roblox. So first you'll need to open up the Roblox player, and once you're signed in you can click on the more button on the left side, and then you can click on the logout button right here and then click logout, and from here you can click on the sign in button and then just type your account username and password, and then you can hit the sign in button again to log into your other account. And you can also do this from the browser. If you open up a new browser tab and navigate to roblox.com, once you're signed in, you can click on the settings icon right here, then click on switch accounts. And from here, you can click on add an account, and you will need to type the account username and password and then hit the login button to add another account. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.